These 5 AI tools are replacing software that used to cost $50,000 a year, and most of them are completely free. Let's start with number 1, Cursor. Cursor is a code editor powered by AI. It writes code for you, fixes bugs, explains what's happening, and refactors entire files on command. Companies used to pay engineers 6 figures to do what Cursor does in seconds. It's not replacing engineers, but it's making one engineer do the work of 3. Cursor costs $20 a month or nothing on the free plan. Number 2, Perplexity AI. Perplexity is what Google should have become. You ask it a question, it searches the web right now, reads the sources, and gives you a direct answer with citations. No ads, no SEO spam, no 10 blue links to click through. Businesses used to pay for expensive research tools and analyst subscriptions to get this kind of fast, accurate answers. Perplexity does it for free. Number 3, N8N. N8N is a workflow automation tool. Think of it like Zapier, but you own it, you host it, and it doesn't charge you per task. Companies pay tens of thousands of dollars a year for enterprise automation platforms like MuleSoft or Workato. N8N does the same thing. Open source, free to self-host. If your business runs on connecting apps together, CRMs, email, Slack, databases, N8N replaces all of that. Number 4, OpenClaw. OpenClaw is a personal AI agent that runs on your computer. It's not a chatbot that talks about doing things. It actually does them. Read files, send emails, monitor websites, run scripts, call APIs. It connects any AI model, Claude, GPT, or a free local model, to real software on your machine. What used to require a developer and an automation stack now takes a plain English message. It's free, open source, and has over 100,000 GitHub stars. Number 5, Notion AI. Notion replaced expensive project management and wiki software for millions of teams. Notion AI takes it further. It writes documents, summarizes meeting notes, generates project plans, and answers questions about your entire knowledge base. The enterprise tools it's replacing, Confluence, SharePoint, expensive knowledge management platforms, cost companies thousands per year. Notion AI is included in the standard plan. Here's the thing about all 5 of these tools. They're not niche developer toys anymore. Regular businesses are using them to cut costs, move faster, and do more with smaller teams. If you're still paying for legacy software that one of these tools could replace, start with a free trial. The gap between what these tools can do and what most people know about them is closing fast. The companies that figure this out first are going to have a real advantage. The ones that don't are going to wonder why their competitors are moving so much faster. Links to all 5 tools are in the description below.